Research is an essential part of any project that you take up in life. Whether it's academic, as in when you have to write a thesis or a business proposal, when you have to research for group discussions, or when it's personal, like when you have to buy a phone or something, wouldn't you be researching? Wouldn't you be looking at the reviews? So it's very important for you to research and to make research a very important part of your life. But how do you conduct research effectively? In this video, you'll be finding out the two key aspects of conducting research, finding reliable sources, and using different methods. Let's discuss the importance of reliable sources. While you're researching to buy something, wouldn't it be important for you to know that the other person is trustworthy and reliable? पता चला आपके पैसे डूब गए, then what? Similarly, while researching for a business proposal, a thesis, or even your specializations, it is important to make sure that your research is credible and is from a reliable source. So make sure that any article that you're using is either from an expert in the field or, very importantly, a scholarly article. It has to be from a reputable organization, and that is only what's going to make your source reliable. One such reputable and reliable source for such articles is Google Scholar. Google Scholar directly takes you to the organization or website that has the scholarly article available. Always make sure that you're evaluating the source's credibility and check if the information is valid. Also look at things like impact factor and the amount of other papers that it's been cited in. These are good ways to figure out whether the source is reliable or not. Now let's talk about different ways of conducting research. LinkedIn, for instance, is a very good way of finding research on companies, job roles, job opportunities. You can use LinkedIn to find any person professionally, and you can also see their work experience, their current job role, what they are up to, and best part of all, even contact them. So don't use it in an unethical manner. Make sure that you're texting them in a more professional manner. Another method of conducting research is by analyzing reports. By analyzing data from reports, you can have a better understanding of the industry or market you're researching in. You can also conduct research by looking at the job postings. When you're looking at the job postings, a high-paying job will help you understand the market trends that are going on, the market requirements for these skills and competencies. What is the future goal or the future skills and competencies that you should be having versus the entry-level jobs that will give you a better understanding of the current requirements. Whatever research that you do, however you're conducting research, make sure that you're making notes and make sure that you're trying to avoid plagiarism as much as you can. This is not just for your specialization, but any research proposal or thesis. Plagiarism is something that is definitely looked down upon. I know, no one better than me knows that conducting research is overwhelming. Having so much data that you need to analyze, so much information that you're constantly thinking about, I can definitely understand that it's very, very, very overwhelming. But if you stay organized and keep taking notes, you can make it much more manageable for yourself. For more such videos, keep looking at our app. See you next time, and best of luck for your research. Goodbye.